Alright, hello everyone, my name is InsenerKarl and today we are unboxing something very special. This is the ASUS strix 3080 OC. Holy shit, I can finally start building my computer. I have never been more excited, just ran home from school and picked this up. Oh mama, I'm so excited right now. So, I mean, I overpaid for it because the site, I didn't buy it from eBay, but the site where I bought from, well, they still ripped me off. But, holy shit, this is amazing. Look how beautiful this is. I mean, this is amazing. I don't know, I still need a better way to unbox shit, but you can see it's amazing. Like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Anyway, like, this packaging feels so nice. I mean, it better be. But yeah, this is like really elusive. So I will cut the tape. Oh, it comes off easier. Anyway. Now let's open her up. I'm so excited to do it. I can admire the box later, but I just need to, you know, get my hands on her. So, I don't want to break the box, of course. This is a nice box. Oh, look at this thing. Strix. Anyway. Look, it's enormous. This is so huge. Holy crap, it's huge. Like, in camera it looks huge. But, well, I have a comparison for you. This is a full-sized keyboard. And it's almost as big. It's enormous. Holy crap. Anyway, let's see what's else in the box. So this here is, I think, a ruler. It has inches and no idea actually. Well, I think it's a ruler. Yeah, I guess so. It's nice. Well, nice top. Here are cable ties. And lastly, we have something from ASUS. Some documentation. This is, I think this just says it's a 30 series GPU. Some metallic sticker, really nice. Thank you. Well, thank you for finally finding me one, and manual. Well, not needed. Oh, it's awesome. I mean, the motherboard came with more stuff, but I don't need it double. You know, the door bags and all. Anyway, I am. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So now I will ground myself. Just in case. I mean, I don't really worry about static, but I mean, just in case. This thing costs a lot and is, oh god, it's so, I have never been more more excited. I mean, it's huge. I have never. I wonder how big the 39 is. Holy shit! It's beautiful. It spins. It's so nice. It says, oh my god. Well, thank you guys for watching. And now I will get to water cooling it, so I will see you in the next video. I'm so excited, as you can hear. Bye!